So assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to our new video. So in today's video we are going to cover the topic of uh, फ्लोएक्सिन. सो मेक श्योर कि आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लिया और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दिया हो ताकि हम जब भी अपनी न्यू वीडियोस अपलोड करें तो आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन रिसीव हो जाए. So the more people that get vaccinated against the flu, the less the flu can spread. It also helps with herd immunity, helping to protect those who can't get the vaccine for medical reasons. Vaccination can also help lessen the severity of illness if you do end up getting the flu. How does the flu shot work? How to make the vaccine? How to make the vaccine? Scientists select the strains of the flu virus that research suggests will be the most common in the coming flu season. Millions of vaccines with those strains were produced and distributed. Once you receive the vaccine, your body begins producing antibodies against those strains of the virus. These antibodies provide protection against the virus. If you come into contact with the flu virus at a later point, you can avoid contracting it. You may get sick if you end up coming into contact with a different strain of the virus, but the symptoms will be less severe because you had the vaccination. Who should get the flu shot? Doctors recommend that everyone over the age of 6 months receive the flu vaccine. This is especially true for people in high risk categories like pregnant women, children under age 5, people ages 18 and under who receive aspirin therapy, people over age 65, people whose body mass index is 40 or higher, anyone working or living in a nursing home and chronic care facility, caregivers to any of the above, Americans, Indians, and Alaska natives, anyone with chronic medical conditions. Most doctors also recommend that everyone gets their flu vaccine by the end of the October. This way, your body has time to develop the right antibodies before flu season kicks into gear. सो होप कि आपको आज की वीडियो को समझ आ गई होगी। तो मिलते हैं जी आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।